Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Ratio. A ratio is a comparison of the sizes of two or more quantities expressed in same unit by division. Ratios are used to compare values. They tell us how much of one thing there is compared to the other. For example, ratio of men and women of a place. If x and y are two quantities of the same kind, that is same units, then the fraction x by y is called the ratio of x to y. Ratio is written as x colon y. Thus, the ratio of x to y is x by y or x colon y. The quantities x and y are called the terms of the ratio. X is called the first term or antecedent and y is called the second term or consequent. For example, in the ratio 7:8, 7 and 8 are called terms of the ratio. 7 is called first term and 8 is called second term. Types of ratio. Compounded ratio. The ratio of the product of antecedents to the product of the consequents of two or more ratios is called compounded ratio. For example, x is to y and y is to v. The compounded ratio is x into u is to y into v or xu is to uv. Thus, compounded ratio of 3 is to 4 and 5 is to 7 is 3 into 5 is to 4 into 7 or 15 is to 28. Duplicate ratio. The ratio of squares of its term is called duplicate ratio. For ratio x is to y, x square is to y square is the duplicate ratio. Thus, duplicate ratio of 5 is to 7 is 5 square is to 7 square or 25 is to 49. Subduplicate ratio. The ratio of square roots of the terms of ratio is called as subduplicate ratio. For example, for ratio x is to y, root x is to root y is the subduplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio. The ratio of cubes of the terms of the ratio is called as triplicate ratio. Example, for ratio x is to y, x cube is to y cube is the triplicate ratio. Thus, triplicate ratio of 7 is to 9 is 7 cube is to 9 cube or 343 is to 729. Inverse ratio or reciprocal ratio. The ratio of the reciprocals of the term is called as inverse ratio or reciprocal ratio. For ratio x is to y, 1 by x is to 1 by y or y is to x is the inverse or reciprocal ratio. Thus, inverse of reciprocal ratio of 5 is to 7 is 1 by 5 is to 1 by 7 or 7 is to 5. The product of a ratio and its inverse is always 1. Thus, 5 is to 7 into 7 is to 5 equal to 35 is to 35 equal to 1. Continued ratio. The ratio between 3 or more quantities of same kind is called as continued ratio. Example, for quantities w, x, y, z, w is to x is to y is to z is the continued ratio. Thus, continued ratio of 3, 5, 7, 8 is 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 8. Comparison of ratio. Two ratios A is to B and C is to D may be compared by comparing the multiplied value AD and BC. As A is to B is C is to D is A is to B is greater than C is to D if AD is greater than BC. A is to B is less than C is to D if AD is less than BC. A is to B is equal to C is to D if AD is equal to BC. Compare the ratios 7 is to 5 and 5 is to 3, 3 is to 8 and 6 is to 16, 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5. 1. Here AD is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21. BC is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So 5 is to 3 is greater than 7 is to 5. 2. Here AD is equal to 3 into 16 is equal to 48. BC is equal to 8 into 8 is equal to 8 into 6 is equal to 48. So 3 is to 8 is equal to 6 is to 16. 3. Here AD is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. BC is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 2 is to 3 is greater than 3 is to 5. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.